Oil wells in the rear window, smoke on a borrowed crown. They sold us fire as freedom while they burn the future down. Every mile cost silence, every light paid in fear. But the road kept rolling forward, and the math got clearer each year. Wind climbed up the ridgelines, solar learned the dawn. Coal lights flickered nervously, trying to hold on. Gas said, I'm the bridge you need. Said you can't cross without me. But batteries were learning patience, sitting quiet, charging free. No more kings for power, no more thrones to please, no more wars for pipelines, just to keep the engines eased. They stalled and spun the headlines, bought time with borrowed doubt. But rooftops lit the neighborhood while the excuses ran out. Every gap kept shrinking, every pause got small, till the bridges found themselves with no river left at all. Cold lost morning, solar noon, wind took the night shift too. Gas kept chasing yesterday with nothing left to do. No banners, no rebellion, no moment carved in stone. Just a system quietly rewired, leaving empires overgrown. So let the wells fade in the distance, let the rigs rust where they stand. This ain't anger, this ain't vengeance, just the end of a demand. Quietly, quietly, quietly now, the noise slips out of view. The age of oil didn't fall apart, it was outgrown by you.